There's a molecule so powerful it won the Nobel Prize in 1998, and yet most doctors rarely talk about it. It's called nitric oxide, and it might be the most important molecule for your cardiovascular health you've never heard of. So let me break this down. See, nitric oxide is a gas molecule that your body produces naturally. It's so important that without it, you literally can't have healthy blood flow. But here's what's wild. After age 40, your nitric oxide production drops by 50%. By 70, it's down by 75%, and nobody is talking about this. See, the pharmaceutical industry doesn't want this widely discussed because they make billions selling medications that essentially work by mimicking what nitric oxide does naturally. Viagra works through the nitric oxide pathway. Blood pressure meds, many target the same system nitric oxide affects. Here's what the scientific research actually shows. In the presence of adequate nitric oxide, you basically can't have a heart attack or a stroke. That's how critical this molecule is for your cardiovascular health. Now, let's get a bit nerdy for a second. There are actually two ways your body produces nitric oxide. One, the NOS pathway, where enzymes called nitric oxide synthase convert the amino acid L-arginine into nitric oxide. There are three main types: eNOS in your blood vessels, nNOS in your nerve cells, and iNOS that activates during inflammation. Two, the nitrite-nitric oxide pathway, where dietary nitrates from foods like arugula and beetroot get converted to nitrite by bacteria in your mouth, and then to nitric oxide in your stomach and bloodstream. And here's the key. That second pathway, it becomes more important as you age because your primary nitric oxide pathway naturally declines and cannot convert amino acids into usable nitric oxide over the age of 40. But guess what happens when you use mouthwash or take antacids? You kill that second pathway. The mouthwash destroys the oral bacteria needed to convert nitrate to nitrite. The antacids neutralizes the stomach acid needed for the next conversion step. See, nobody is connecting these dots for people. Millions are unknowingly sabotaging their own nitric oxide production every single day. Let me explain exactly what nitric oxide does in your body. It relaxes and widens your blood vessels, improving blood flow to every organ in your body. It prevents blood clots and plaque buildup by keeping your arteries smooth and flexible. It delivers oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and brain, enhancing physical and mental performance. It helps control your blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity. It even boosts your immune system and helps regulate inflammation. There's a reason scientists call nitric oxide the master regulator of cardiovascular health. And yet, when's the last time your freaking doctor measured your nitric oxide levels or gave you strategies to boost them? The healthcare system is great at treating disease after it happens, but preventing problems in the first place, that's largely on you. So if you want to naturally boost your nitric oxide levels, here's what works. Eat nitrate-rich foods like arugula and other leafy greens. Get daily exercise. Even 30 minutes of moderate activity increases nitric oxide production. Skip the mouthwash. Get enough sunlight. UV exposure stimulates nitric oxide release in your skin. Practice deep breathing exercises. Your sinuses produce nitric oxide when you breathe through your nose. If this blew your mind, hit that share button. Somebody you care about needs this information. Drop a comment if you want me to go deeper on specific foods or supplements that boost nitric oxide in my next video. Remember, knowledge is power, but only when you actually use it.